Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Kids are our future. Today I will tell you how to make a paper bird. Okay, let's start. We need 4 things. It is called paper, glue, pencil, and scissor. Let's start. First, we need paper. We have to make it just like this. And when we do it, we have to make from this finger and slide it to like this into a triangle, and another side too. And then we have to roll it another side here. And then also the next side. And do the same again, like this, and slide it down into a triangle, like this. And then, number 2, we need scissor. We need scissor to break a bit and make a triangle just like this. Take out this triangle and another side too. And then we need, next step is called make a like this here triangle and then attach to it turned into an airplane, but all we have to do is cut this side. Problem, I can do. Yes, we cut it. And then this is the bird's face. And we have to make it like this. Cut again. Okay, after cutting, it looked like this. Then we have to put the head some here. Just wait. We put this head over here. It looks like something else, not just like a bird. Just put it like this. It didn't not kind of look like a bird. But you know, the next step is called, we do it like this so it really looks like a bird. Like this. And then fold it just like this into the bird's face. Kind of looks more like an airplane, but I'll put this head a little up. Or I can make it like this. This is better. It's much better, right? This is the bird's head. And next step, you see, this line is the mouth. It has to be on one side, not both sides. Okay, next step, we have to make the tail. We will put this later. Okay, we have to cut these sides, and you know, we have to be careful with ourselves and also be careful with the scissor. It's very sharp and dangerous. Sharp things are so dangerous, so we have to be careful. Like scissor, cutter, drill. After that, we have to do it the same way. We have to do it both same sides so we can make the tail. And then do it over here, cut just from here little. Let me cut it a bit. Wait, is this, it's cut now. Now it turned into the bird's body. Now we have to put the head just like here. Kind of looks more like a bird, right? Now, next step, glue. We have to take the glue and put it here and put on this side so it will get stick to the other side here. And next step, we have to put it over here. And here we go. It turned into the bird's head. It's now very look like a bird. And we have to make the bird's eyes from here. And we have to make the bird's eyes like this. So, and also the another side. I'll make the mouth another side here too. No problem is for the mouth. And make the bird's eyes here again. Ta-da! It's turned into a bird. Paper bird. That's how we make a bird. Oh man, I make upside down. Let's try. Okay, now this is ready. We have to hold it from this tail. And then we will fly it with the hands. See, more like a bird. I hope so you enjoy and like my video and subscribe my channel. Like it, share it. Also, when you see something, go in the comments. Bye.